This is the SmallRig Tribex tripod.
LensVid's coverage of IBC 2024 is brought to you by SmallRig, SmallRig, Big Dreams, and Hollyland, made to inspire.
Hi, we're at IBC 2024 and we're at the SmallRig booth and we're looking at the Tribex tripod developed together by SmallRig with Potato Jet. Now this tripod has a very unique feature. It has this handle where you can basically push and it will change the height. It will open and close all the legs at the same time. Now what's interesting is that this handle can also change the position. So it has basically 3 positions. It has 90 degrees, I would say about 20 degrees. And if you want to move it all out of the way completely, you can put it like this. So, and it will work in any position, as you can see. Now, aside from that, it will come with a small ball head. It's not a ball head, it's a small fluid head. Basically, this one. Pretty nice. It has 3 friction levels in here, 501 plate with 1/4 inch with sort of RE pinholes on the side and on the other side. Other features, you can have a look at the legs. These change positions. These are plastic, so I'm not sure if this is the way that it will look in the final version. Other than that, we have basically a hook in here for more stabilization if you want to hook something to this part. In here you have basically the lock for the center column. And the leg locks are very sturdy, as you can see. It can also work with different levels. So this is the Tribex tripod. It's going to be on sale for $800, and you can check out more information and more videos from IBC on LensVid.com.